I mentioned earlier that I, for my clothing brand Hand Drawn, I do founder led content, which is sort of organic. And, I started with this journey where I tell them कि मैंने business कैसे start किया है. I would literally record every day. It's time consuming, but it's so raw and natural and it kind of worked for me. And I'm kind of dwelling into it. So I remember you mentioned just now that, for you, organic marketing is also key in business success, or someone has to really focus on that area and finding solutions to the problem, which is a very good thing. But मुझे और भी कुछ trade secrets और hacks निकालने हैं. So tell me something else that we can do apart from this. I mean, this is quite informational
Yeah.
and it's a good direction.
Yeah.
What else can we do?
If your product is strong,
Yeah.
people would like to buy it. And now, because we have a lot of influencers and every mom and every kid is an influencer right now. So, work upon your product in such a way that they themselves come to you and ask for a barter collaborations.
Okay.
And try to choose those influencers who are doing good work.
Mm-hmm.
Because everybody's an influencer nowadays because they feel coming to camera is influencing, but actually there are very less content creators.
Okay.
By that I mean content create karna which can appeal to the general public,
Yeah.
they're very less.
Okay.
So try to barter collaboration, like that's the easy and a effective way and a cheaper way of doing it,
Yeah.
that you can do a barter collaboration with a content creators who may not have a good followers like 100K or something, but probably their sense of creating content or maybe the camera quality and everything is good.
Sure.
So once you do that and you have that kind of 30 40 videos or maybe 25 videos, then you can obviously push into your social media and you can run it on ads, and you can show that organically, because those are journal people, journal public, and the people who are your buyers are also them, so they correlate a lot.
Sure. Yeah.
So हमेशा like we had a very good market in south, and वहाँ पे they are very like the way they love their children. मेरे ख्याल से नॉर्थ के पेरेंट्स उतने लविंग नहीं है, साउथ के पेरेंट्स बहुत लविंग एंड दे आर वेरी केयरफुल,
Oh.
like what fabric their children are wearing. So try to have a regional content creator, try to collaborate with such influencers and creators who are, they can communicate in their local language,
Okay.
who can they have their kind of the persona, what your product should also have a persona, and then your creator should have a persona that should meet.
Yeah.
And I think that kind of hack really worked for like my new D2C brand. We hardly do any paid collaborations, and the product is such like it's very pretty and very cool kind of, that every mom they come and they agree to do it on barter.
A bigger challenge that you faced in your business that made who you are a serial entrepreneur today, and you are not afraid to try another thing. I mean, post acquisition, you start another brand, and it takes a big will to do that, to be honest.
So challenges in my case, yeah, water clogging, coming out of from a small office to a bigger space was there. Hiring a team who can understand you,
Yeah.
who can, have the similar kind of passion.
Yeah.
Agar if she is working 16 hours, at least we have to give 12 hours. If she is like, working late night, we have to be available late night to give her answers. जिस चीज के लिए रोका जाता है ना, मजा उसमें आता है.
सही में ये तो है.
अब क्योंकि पुश करते हैं कि दैट यू हैव टू वर्क, तो
हाँ.
उसमें मजा नहीं आ रहा है, यहाँ पे तो कुछ बीटी हो जाएगी अगर हम जाएंगे तो, और कुछ निकाल लेगा कोई हमारे अंदर से. तो मुझे लगता है उस समय पे बिकॉज वी वर लाइक के ये नहीं करना, तो वी वर लाइक कि यार यहाँ तो पता नहीं कुछ है जो हमें करना ही करना है.
I ordered a pack of vests for him. So I'm sort of a conscious mother. I ordered organic vests from a brand, and I not name the brand. So when I received it, so the price was 2x than the other vest options.
Right.
Okay? And when I received it, I was slightly disappointed because it to cut acha nahi tha. Then the hand feel was also not as good as the normal vest I had.
Yeah.
And I didn't see any point paying double the price as a consumer now. Okay.
Right.
So I really questioned that day, and because it was a non-returnable item, I couldn't return it. So I was like, ठीक है ये हो गया है, but are these claims really authentic? Like lot of kids brands claim to be using chemical free and
True.
organic cotton.
Yeah.
So you've been in the industry.
Yeah.
How authentic are these claims?
As I said earlier, these are prereq. अगर आप कुछ भी किड्स वेयर ब्रांड कर रहे हो
Yeah.
टू एनी कैटेगरी, ये तो होना ही होना चाहिए ना. Why, like, if a mother is able to pay 2x,
Yeah.
then why to, even exploit her? It should be a baseline, anything you're making for kids has to be dye free, has to be chemical free, should be made out of, organic cotton.
Yeah.
So kids ke saath to obviously, because India mein there is like, there's no regulation as such,
Yeah.
but obviously US, and we talk about UK and any other market, they consciously do this.
If you want us to keep bringing such amazing content and business hacks, please subscribe to our Clips channel, The Sonika Mata Show Clips.